This is ridiculous. Right, so we made it to York. Welcome back to another vlog. Going to Manchester, I want to go to Old Trafford and explore the city. So we got about 20 minutes until the next train, I think. Gonna take the Transpennine, cross to Manchester, Piccadilly. Right, so we made it to platform 3, next stop, Manchester. So we made it to Manchester, got the station in the background, right behind me, trying to find my way to the city centre because I literally have no plans on what I'm doing. I don't even know the city. I've been here like once, I think it was for basketball actually, 2 nights, but I didn't get into the city centre at all. So before I work out my orientation of the city and where everything is, I feel like I need to get some food because I'm absolutely starving, and probably a coffee from somewhere because caffeine, I literally can't go a day without it. So I found the city tower just over there. So I'm guessing I'm in the city centre right now. There's quite a lot of people around, so that's always a good sign. Right, so after my Google Maps has taken about 2 hours to load, finally found where Starbucks is. If you don't know me in person, I would say Starbucks is like my favourite place to go. Myself, Starbucks Americano, but there's only one thing that I'm missing. Got food, got like a tuna munch thing from Greggs, currently outside Printworks. I'm going to munch on this, do some research. So quick food review from that Greggs baguette. It was actually pretty decent, I'd give it a solid 7 out of 10. Kind of needed that to fill me up for the rest of the day. There's a tuna's like the best thing in the world. So I've done a bit of research on what it is exactly that I want to see whilst I'm here. So due to the fact that the media city is quite far out, I think I'm going to go there first and then come back via Old Trafford football stadium for any of the United fans out there. So from what I understand, Salford, like media city area, is quite a built up place. Apparently it's really nice. Need to get on the tram. Not gonna lie to you, my navigation is not the best. It varies day to day depending on how I'm feeling, so we'll see. I don't know how the system works around here, never been in the centre before, so we'll see how it goes. So quick story time, just walking along the street as you do, getting a couple of clips, and someone who isn't a subscriber yet came up to me and said hello and asked if I'm vlogging in Manchester, which I currently am, which I really do appreciate it. So if you're watching this, I thank you a lot, and I would appreciate everyone that watches these videos, regardless of if you're subscribed or not. Right, finally made it to the tram stop, just right here. Just need to find a ticket machine now and hope that I can get a ticket. Don't know, but it looks like there's works going on. Brilliant, just what I need.
Services are operating between Manchester Airport and Cornbrook only.
As you can hear.
Services in operation between Cornbrook and Victoria Station. Please see www.thm.com for more information.
So I'm guessing this building right here is the Land Bible headquarters or something like that. That's pretty cool anyway, so Land Bible, if you see this, make sure hit me up. Right, big shout out to the lady who just stopped me in the street talking about energy. She asked if I did YouTube, and I said, of course I said yes. And she's kindly subscribed to the channel, so shout out to you if you're watching this. You're a legend. Right, so after all of that rummaging around trying to find a ticket, I can finally find the bus that is a tram replacement link and get to Media City. So I don't know if you can tell, but in the background we've got Media City, we've got BBC right here. Looks pretty cool, to be fair. So I think I'm on the Imperial War Museum side, so we're gonna cross that bridge over there. Let's check it out. Well, we've also got ITV. Not gonna lie, these apartments look quite nice and they must be pretty expensive as well. That's a future goal of mine, is to at some point actually move into a flat in a city somewhere. Don't know if I'll stick to Ireland or not, but we'll see. Just take a moment to appreciate this. Right, so we're in the central square, and over there they're doing some like TV or something. They've also got some kind of like kids cycle track or something in the background, which is kind of cool. And over here it looks like it's like some kind of outdoor seating area, which looks like allotments or something like that. So my overall opinion on Media City right now is it's quite a vibey, quirky kind of place. It's actually quite nice. There's lots of flats, which I didn't expect. I thought it was more corporate buildings and things like that. But the BBC, don't know if you can see that, is literally just there. And yeah, I mean, can't exactly complain location wise. You also have War Museum over there. Then we've got like the Media City UK Quayside Centre. I'm guessing that's probably a shopping centre, so everything's really kind of close and easy to get to. And the city's only about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you know, commute or so. But I'm impressed. Like, this has wowed me. I'd literally do anything to live in that. I mean, beautiful. Okay, so part of me was thinking I could take the e-scooters to Old Trafford, and then I downloaded the Lime app. Turns out it's only like a trial in the Media City area, so that's not possible. So we're gonna have to walk back through Media City and across the bridge to get to the stadium. So I thought I'd just say that whilst I'm walking, I didn't actually plan on taking the camera with me to Manchester at all, mainly because I was a bit skeptical as to what people would think. But to be honest with you, I'm glad I did it, because it's put me outside my comfort zone, and that's the main thing. So to the guy that says I'm gonna fail as a YouTuber, thank you very much.
Yeah, so we've been here 87 days. I'm here now on my own. There were 7 of us. We're here because we've kind of reached the end of our tethers as parents and stuff. And the fact that, you know, 70,000 kids were missing in the lockdown last year and it was never news. 75,000 children were abused last year, isn't news. You look at people in power, you look at Prince Andrew, he's a known paedophile, he raped a trafficked child. He's not answered to the United States for his crimes. These are people in positions of power that should be leading by example, and it's not happening. Got Keir Starmer on a banner as well, because Keir Starmer were head of Crown Prosecution Service. When it came to charging Jimmy Savile, he decided not to. On the rear of that we've got a big massive banner, and that's for the director of the BBC, which is Tim Davie. Now Tim Davie's holding on to the Pollard Review. The Pollard Review is the investigation into Jimmy Savile, so we know all about the crimes that they committed and all the children that were abused in the hospitals and the care homes, but none of the names have been brought out, because that's the 3% that they're holding on to. So it's daily, you know, pressure on the media to tell the truth. I don't see anywhere else in the country really for myself anywhere that's more important than being here.
Right here, right now, mate.
I mean, what they're trying to bring through the school education system at the minute, they're trying to show younger kids where things go. That's just opening them up to more abuse. As an abused child myself at 16, 16's too young, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
we
it
should be
is,
keeping their
it is,
innocence a lot older, a lot till they're at least 18, 21, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But they try to teach them things now that it's just so far-fetched.
Because it's all like rigid as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
So they don't want you to know certain things. And
Kids should just be kids. Kids should be able to just, you know, learn things. At 4-year-old, they try to teach them this at 4-year-old now, the masturbations. At 4-year-old, kids you should be playing in pain, you know, getting sensory, you know, learning about your hands and your feet. And do you know what I mean? Literally, that, my dad used to say, if you touch that, it'll drop off. Or if I had it out, birds will get it, and that's so you can preserve your child's innocence. And we should keep it as innocent as long as possible.
100%, I agree with you on that.
From a teacher in a school, a stranger, do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
That's where it's heading to now. And some kids have already had this happen to them already. Some children are already traumatised because they've already learned this stuff. A lot of schools haven't implemented it, so we've got like till September to try and get the word out there.
That's
as many parents. Because the only way that we can stop it is if people formulate in groups in schools and start challenging the head teachers.
Yeah, have presence
and get it stopped. But thank you for your time.
No worries.
I really appreciate it.
This guy's a legend anyway.
Thank you very much. I much appreciate
Cheers,
what
mate.
you do.
No worries. Good luck with it anyway.
Thank you, and you, mate.
Yeah, no worries. What a legend. Just wanted to stop there and have a brief conversation with that guy because I think what he's doing is absolutely amazing. I hope that he has all the best with the current campaign that he's doing, and we need to start educating people about this because it's not right. It's a long road to the stadium. Stadium's over in this direction, over this fence area. I would say it's a good 3/4 of a mile maybe, I don't know. Probably be there in about 10 minutes, so we're just gonna keep going. There's quite a lot of busy roads, so okay, it feels about an hour walking to get here, but this is ridiculous. So the stadium holds like what, 70,000 people or something. I never thought it looked this big. Like, it is huge. I'm coming back here on match day. Like, this is going to be the next time I'm in Manchester. Match day, Manchester United. Honestly, incredible. I cannot imagine how awesome it must be when that stadium is packed and absolutely rocking with people. Like, oh, it's the stuff of dreams. The stuff of dreams. I mean, it gets better and better. Like, you just can't beat it. Best stadium in Europe, 100%, in my opinion. Gonna get some tickets somehow. I don't care how. I just want tickets now. Seeing the stadium just looks like a cauldron, so like a bar place for all the fans on match day, I presume. So they must all go down this road behind me to the stadium. Imagine that, like whole road just packed. Of course, if it's not COVID, before COVID, it would have been absolutely incredible. Charlton Hotel. I don't think I want to be staying there tonight, that's for sure. My plan of action right now is to get back into the city. I'm feeling quite hungry, so I'll probably go sort of around Oxford Street. For those of you that don't know, Oxford Street I think is the main sort of shopping street in Manchester. I'll probably just get like a meal deal or something like that, or I might get something interesting, I don't really know. We'll see what I fancy when I get there. So we are pretty much almost at the cricket stadium, which is just down the road from Old Trafford. It looks like it says it's home to like Lancashire County Cricket or something like that, so I don't really know. The only thing I know about this place is that England have played here a couple of times. You could literally ask me any question about cricket and I will not be able to answer it. So it looks like there's balconies and things from that hotel which you can watch the game from, which is pretty damn cool. Like, I don't know if you get it for free or if you have to pay an extra price or anything like that, but that's pretty sick. We've got Manchester Central Station in the background. There's some really posh hotel behind me. It's quite a nice area anyways. But if I'm going to be honest, I'm actually starting to feel quite tired. It's almost time to go home anyway. But my review on Manchester, it's a really nice place. Like, everyone seems to be really friendly around here, and the architecture of the different buildings and stuff is really quite cool. Don't seem to get any of these kind of buildings anywhere else in the country, so the next part is like the most boring part, just me getting food and travelling home, so I'm not going to vlog that because I know I'll probably have already bored you guys to death anyway. But that being said, if you are going to Manchester, it's a really nice place. Really hope you enjoy it. I certainly did. I'm coming back 100%. It's a really nice area to be in, good vibe. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video, so